I am Erika Arias. Travel Step 3. Speaking Activity. Itinerary Villanueva Casanare. Introduction to the place. Villanueva is truly a magical place. Located in the eastern plains of Colombia in the department of Casanare. Best known for its landscapes, culture, economy, and diversity in every way. An excellent climate to immerse yourself in the rivers and lakes that surround it, and a spectacle of view in the viewpoint of the plain. Come and visit this magazine place. Duration of the trip. If your trip is from the capital of Colombia, Bogota, you can arrive in the approximately 5 hours. It's a bit far, but I will be worth the wait. Means of transportation. You can arrive in car or in a bus. Activities to do Villanueva. I recommend that you go with time. There are many things to do. We have several rivers that surround us in which you can do regattas or finish. You can also go to the hot springs. It is an incredible place to visit. If you want to have a drink and watch a complete Janeiro sunset, you can go to the Nikki Beach to enjoy the breeze and the plains. Anyway, I could not finish describing that incredible place that Villanueva is. Come and see it for yourself. Place to stay. Paisy Lagos is a tourist spot and has incredible and very cozy cabins. It is my recommended place for you. However, Versailles is a cute modern hotel. If that is your taste, it's also pays the tax. Typical foods. Since Villanueva is part of the general economy, our typical foods is a meat in all its presentation, but above all, mamona or llanera meat, sancocho, flour, masata, and more. And mamona, sancocho. Typical foods. Costs. Actually, everything is very cheap in Villanueva, since it is not a city or a metropolis. It is really easy to access. However, if you can to bring souvenirs to your friends, I recommend that you come prepared. You will want to take everything with you. To welcome. Thank you, bye.